This is the Apple Studio Display. This is arguably one of the best looking monitors on the market. You've got the aluminum back with the Apple logo, the perforated top and bottom, and perfectly symmetrical bezels on the front. Of course, while the design matters, the quality of the display has to match. With a 5K resolution, it's plenty sharp and the colors really do look really good. But the thing is, there's more to the experience than just the panel. The Studio Display has 6 built-in speakers that are actually the best sounding built-in speakers I've ever heard. And if you want to do video calls, it also has a 12 megapixel camera with center stage. In terms of connections, you get 4 ports in total, 3 of which are USB-C and 1 being Thunderbolt 3. The Studio Display may not be the best deal out there, it may not be the most cutting edge panel out there, but if you're somebody who wants a 5K display that runs natively with macOS and you really care about the design and convenience of it all, then the Studio Display might just be worth considering.